Budgies and precautions. Flying budgies clash with window glass pane. 1 cage placement, avoid windows, mirrors, and glass doors to prevent collisions. Air conditioning vents. Avoid placing cage in direct sunlight. 2 electrical safety. Keep cords and wires out of reach. 3 toxic substances. Toxic materials like cleaning supplies, pesticides and medications. For predator protection. Cats. Dogs. 5 flight risk. Trim wings regularly. 6 cage security. Close and lock the cage. 7 supervise interactions. Naughty children. 8 cleanliness. 9 avoid loud voices. Loud music and sudden voices. Machine sounds. 10 veterinary care. Check up by doctor.